If you've ever stared at a spreadsheet and felt your brain slowly turning to mush, you're definitely not alone. Data can be intimidating, especially when it's coming at you in endless rows and columns, and you're not sure where to even begin. It's a feeling most of us have experienced at some point, like you're drowning in numbers and formulas, and the pressure just keeps building. Data analysis can be overwhelming, especially when you're juggling tight deadlines, multiple projects, and the constant fear of making a mistake. The stress of trying to make sense of messy data while your inbox fills up and your to-do list grows can make anyone want to throw in the towel. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to actually make sense of your data, save yourself hours of frustration, and keep your sanity intact. With a few smart tools, some practical shortcuts, and a little bit of strategy, you'll be able to tackle even the messiest data sets with confidence. So, why does data analysis feel so hard? The truth is, it's rarely the math that trips people up. Most of the time, it's the chaos, unorganized data, confusing software and workflows that seem to go in circles. The real pain comes from dealing with messy data, clunky tools, and processes that make you feel like you're wandering through a maze with no exit. But don't worry, we're going to fix that together. Let's start simple. For basic statistics, quick calculations, and easy-to-read visuals, Excel and Google Sheets are your best friends. These tools are more powerful than most people realize, and they're perfect for getting started or handling everyday analysis. Make use of features like remove duplicates to clean up your data validation to prevent errors, and especially pivot tables to quickly summarize and explore your information. These built-in tools can transform a chaotic spreadsheet into something you can actually work with. Seriously, these features can save you hours, sometimes even days, of manual work. Imagine finishing your analysis in half the time and still having energy left for the rest of your day. Now, if you need to run more advanced tests, like t-tests or ANOVAs, but want something easier than the old-school options, check out Jamovi or JASP. These programs are designed to be user-friendly, even if you're not a stats expert. Both Jamovi and JASP are free, have clean, modern interfaces, and can handle almost everything SPSS does, without the steep learning curve or the need to write code. You'll spend less time troubleshooting and more time actually understanding your results. Of course, if your course or workplace requires it, SPSS is still the classic choice. It's powerful and widely recognized, but it can be a bit intimidating if you're just starting out. And if you're dealing with really big data, need to automate repetitive tasks, or want to build custom analyses, Python or R are the heavy hitters. These programming languages are incredibly powerful, but don't feel pressured to learn them unless your project truly demands it. Here's the real secret to saving your sanity. Start with a plan and stick to a simple workflow. Don't let yourself get lost in the weeds. Always clean your data first. This means checking for typos, duplicate entries, and making sure everything is in the right format before you even think about running any analysis. Look for missing values, outliers that don't make sense, and any weird formatting issues. Catching these early will save you from headaches and confusion down the line. Fix those problems right away, and you'll avoid most of the common pitfalls that trip people up later in the process. Don't reinvent the wheel every time. Use templates for common statistical tests and tables. There are tons of free resources online that can help you get started faster. And wherever possible, automate your summaries and visualizations. Tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and even Jamovi can generate charts and reports with just a few clicks, saving you tons of time. Finally, stick to a simple, repeatable workflow. Import your data, clean it, choose your tests, analyze, and then summarize your findings. This keeps you organized and ensures you don't miss any crucial steps. Remember, data analysis doesn't have to be a nightmare. With the right approach, it can actually be rewarding, and even a little bit fun. When you use the right tools and follow a clear workflow, you'll get results faster, make fewer mistakes, and feel a whole lot less stressed. And if you want more, like step-by-step checklists, ready-made templates, or scripts to automate your work, just let me know. I'm here to help you master data analysis without losing your mind.